Okay, y'all, here's the final thing. Here is my lashes without the faux mink accent. And here is the faux mink accent I'm fixing to put on that is magnetic. I'm being very careful to take it off so that I don't tear the magnets. Alright, and they are very tiny, as you can see. They're very, very small. And so it's not going to cover all the lids. So you put them mostly towards the outside. So the best way to do that is to, first of all, look down. Oh, it is. Look at that. It's trying to grab it. There it goes. Okay. Well, isn't that adorable? What do you think? I mean, okay. What do y'all think? Sometimes I think the look of false lashes is fantastic on people. Like, it makes a look. Especially like a red carpet look or going out for a special occasion look. But for every day, I don't know. What do y'all think? This is me with just mascara. And this is me with a faux lash added to that mascara. I mean, I almost feel like this is more natural looking. Go figure. Yeah. What do y'all think of that? Well, that's them. And I feel like the more this dries, the better these are even going to stick on, to be honest. I feel like I may have started a little too far out on that one, but I'm not going to reapply it. And then one of the things I would suggest you have, and I don't have one handy, is a spoolie. Let me see if I do. Hold on. I've got everything in here. Surely I have a spoolie. Or either something like this, which I already did have here, to just kind of, that's not tacky, to kind of make sure that you've got it mashed down good. And also, whoops, not that. I do think I have a spoolie in there somewhere. Please tell me I have a spoolie. Don't tell me I'm so stupid I don't have a spoolie. Well, I'm so stupid I don't have a spoolie. Guess I'll have to use this. Because what happened was, now I've got some clumped mascara, and that looks gross. There we go. Now, I will tell you this, because I did the mascara, y'all, it almost looks like I missed some of it. Whoops. And I'm going to smooth that out a little bit. That line, that definitely needs some blending out or something. Oops, not like that. Oh my gosh, y'all, that's the ultimate that you shouldn't do that. And I did it, and I'm paying for it. There we go. Oops, I also got some under my eye. How did that happen? There. Okay, so there's the look. What do y'all think? That's the finished look. What do you think? By the way, I want another question. This is a stupid question. Also, remember when you're touching all that mascara stuff and you've got a brush that you did that, use your makeup wipe to get that off. So what do y'all think? I don't know. I don't know what to think. What do y'all think? Oh, you know what else, by the way? I meant to show you this. You can take this OG product that we did, this face makeup that I have on, and use what I just had, a liner brush, and do your brows. So let's do that. Let's do the brow with that, and let's just see how this color goes. And I'm going to swoosh up to give me some lines. Because that's where I have the biggest problems, right there. And then right out here, I have a problem. Yeah, I don't know if this is good for that, y'all, but you know, it's some color. It helps a little. Because some of you are saying, look, I want to use something that looks a little more natural, and I would say this OG product does that, and I do like it. I like the colors. Let's just see how it does over here, though. Gotta fill in. This is my higher brow, so I have to fill in lower to even it with the other one. Yeah, I don't think this is something you can really use this for, y'all. It's not dark enough. Now, if you're a blonde and you can blend this in, I mean, I can see a little bit better fill in, but I don't really think that's what you can use this for. It would take forever when you could just use a brown pencil and do so much faster. But I mean, if this is all you had on a trip and you only brought these 3 things, yes, you certainly could. There go my little dogs. What do y'all think? That's the actual end look. So now I have on brows, I have on liner, I have on shadow, I have on blush, I have on contour. I actually did use my concealer for covering up age spots. I also would encourage you that when you use this, always wind it back all the way down, or else when you pull the lid off, you're going to scrape it off. But, so it's not that I don't like this, it's just, and I actually do love this. Of all the products, I love this one, the blush. And especially to use on lips. I think it looks really good on the lips. Matter of fact, I might add just a touch up on my lip. And that's it. I probably could use a bit of touch up here too, because I had to get some of that off. I think that's enough though. Don't want to overdo it. Again, I do like that it's magnetic top because it just makes it easy. There, now I'm getting a little bit more of the pinky look. I want the pinky. There. Alright, there's the final look. I keep saying it, there's the final look. Oh, this is the thing I was going to ask you about. I have 2 holes in my ears, but they're very close together. And so I put in this little one in the back hole and this big one in the front. They're the same earring, just different sizes. Over here, I put the little one in the front hole and the big one in the back, and it kind of dropped down over it. Which one looks better? Or looks, you know, makes it look like, I don't know. I'm feeling this. Looks a little more cool anyway. This kind of looks like it's all one earring and it's got a little one inside a big one. So I don't know. What do y'all think? Anyway, oh, and I got my little matching choker and a little necklace complimentary. It's got some of the same metallic looking beads in it. Necklaces to match. So what do y'all think? Anyway, so I haven't done this in a very long time, so I was hoping y'all might enjoy this. I am going to start doing some Christmas festivities makeup looks because people are starting to get into that, especially if they're working. A lot of people now are, you know, oh y'all, I got that stuff, that magnetic stuff all over my little mirror. Hey, I don't like that. You know what'll get it off? Why am I doing that? I got a makeup remover right here. It got it right off. Looky there. This is good makeup remover. I love Neutrogena makeup remover anyway, but I really love the new, what's it called? Hydrofuge? Is it Hydrofuge? Hydro Boost. Love this face mask that I did today, and I always love the wipes. And I haven't tried the body lotion yet, but it's supposed to really, you know, hydrate your skin. So anyway, that's it, y'all. That is it. That is everything. Definitely comment below, since I've kind of done these in a row, what you think of the OG product. That was these. Um, Also comment below how you feel about makeup removers. Do you like Neutrogena or do you have another favorite? And when you comment on that, definitely put whether or not your makeup remover removes waterproof mascara. Now, not everybody wears waterproof. Some people don't like waterproof. Some people only use waterproof. I've gotten to where I'm a blend, and I'll tell you why. I really do like this Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. It is a gel mascara, and at first, because it was gel, it was like, I felt like it was messy to use, but you just got to get used to only tipping it out and then combing it back through. And y'all, I feel like it does a good job. So good that I'm not sure I needed these. But I wanted to try these because if I do a, lashes, then I want them to be easy. And I feel like this compared to glue, hands down, this was better. Hands down. I hate dealing with the glue. I hate having to trim the lashes and then getting it wrong. Remember, this was already pre-trimmed, and it's for mainly for the outer look, so it's about almost a little closer to the inner eye than the center, but not much, and then to the outer area. And again, this is Eylure, L-U-R-E, London, and it's Pro Magnetic Liner and Lash System. No glue's needed. You just paint on the liner and you wait for it to dry in between 3 different, paintings of the liner. Make it kind of a wide look so that the lash has something to magnetize to. And then it says to allow each layer to dry in completely before the next one. I feel like mine did fine. And it felt like it was almost completely dry. So we'll see. And I'll have to let you know later how easily did this come off. So anyway, I'll talk to y'all again soon, and I love you. Thank you for being here on my channel, and I look forward to doing some more videos and some Pure Bible studies on Beth Buchanan Pure Bible. And I love you guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye! Bye, 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 bye.